What's up people, it's your boy Melvin, and today I'm going to show you a weird toy that I got from the thrift shop. I don't know what you actually call this, but this is pretty neat. And as you can read over there, it says there that it's a weird game that contains many weird sounds, and you are fighting against this sound. So I'm gonna show you how this works. So I got this for a cheap price. It's just for $1 from a thrift shop, or in ukay. That's what you call ukay here in the Philippines. Now let me show you how this works. First, you need to plug this into a speaker, and then what you need to do is turn it on. See at the side there. And this is sounds, volume. You can control the volume. Now, this is pause if you want to pause the game. So as you can see, I'm selecting I'm selecting the level. So let's go for level 1. Okay. So at the bottom, you see there that part, right? And then what you do is just fire. It's pretty simple. There you go. I hit 1, so I got 10 points. You can't see your enemy on this one. That's why. There you go. I got another one. I got 20 points. So the concept of this is like a space shooting game, spaceship shooting game, and the thing is that you go just by the sound. The sounds. See, you can hear it. It's coming near, right? Okay. Oh, I was hit. See? Now, I respawn. There. You can listen to the sound that it does. Okay, it's coming near. Oh, it's very near. Oh, we're hit. Okay. So we respawn again. What I can say is that you can actually play this when you're on the go and you're not going to be dizzy about it, because it's just you and the headphones and you pressing left and right and the attack button. See, I hit another thing over there, and you don't need to use your eyes. Just put on punching left and right and then attack. It can be more of a fidget toy, because you're like pressing and without the clear direction on what to do next. Okay, as you can see now, there's a lot of sounds, and I think that's about it. So it's game over. I got 100 points over there. So I think that'll be all for now, and here's your boy Melvin. I'm out.